Are you ready to bring your self-portrait to life? Join Gustavo Ramos, a renowned portrait artist, as he teaches you the essentials of capturing light, form, and shadow using graphite and pastel in this Domestika course. Gustavo will guide you step by step through the process of creating a dynamic self-portrait directly from life. Starting with a straight-line block-in, you'll learn how to set up your drawing, establish proportions, and gradually build up tones and details. With techniques focusing on light, tonal value, and shape design, you'll understand how to create a balanced composition that feels alive and expressive. Throughout the course, you'll master important fundamentals, from understanding the properties of light and shadow by drawing a sphere, to achieving refined gradients with graphite and pastel. Gustavo's method is designed to help you make the most of your materials, ensuring accuracy in proportions and striking results. For your final project, you will create an 11:14 self-portrait that explores the subtle interplay between light and shadow. From toning your paper to adding the finishing touches with pastel, you'll learn to bring depth and character to your artwork. Gustavo Ramos brings years of experience to this course, having exhibited internationally and worked with well-known brands. His passion for portraiture and mastery of light and form will inspire you to take your skills to the next level. So, if you're a beginner or an artist looking to refine your portrait techniques, this course is your perfect companion. Sign up today, click the link in the description, and don't forget to use RODLOVEL10 for an exclusive discount. Get ready to create portraits that truly shine.